Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anis alias Safina. I'm from class 12 B1. Today I will explain material above pronunciation. The first, vowels. Vowels adalah suara vokal. Di Indonesia itu ada 6. Ada A, I, U, E, U, O. A for example kakak, I for example kiki, U for example kuku, E for example bebek, U for example ke, O for example tono. Dan di bahasa Inggris ada 22. Itu dibagi ada 3. Ada diphthong, leg, sama tensor. Yang pertama ada I for example see. Yang kedua ada I for example happy. Yang ketiga ada I for example sit. Yang keempat ada for example tan. Yang kelima ada for example cat. Yang keenam ada A for example father. Yang ketujuh ada for example God. Yang kedelapan ada for example show. Yang kesembilan ada for example pot. Yang ke-10 ada U for example actual. Yang ke-11 ada U for example to. Yang ke-12 ada A for example cup. Yang ke-13 ada U for example for. Yang keempat ada U for example about. Selanjutnya ada contoh dari diphthong, and the first A for example say, they, may, and then yai for example nine and mine, and then yo for example no and go, and then wow for example now and how, and then boy for example toy boy, and then ear for example here, near, and then air for example here, and the last step where for example sure, pure. The second consonant. Konsonan dibagi menjadi 2, ada unvoiced konsonan sama voiced konsonan. Unvoiced konsonan itu konsonan yang tidak menimbulkan getaran pada mulut. Kalau voiced konsonan itu menimbulkan getaran di bibir, tenggorokan, dan lidah. Yang unvoiced konsonan itu ada P for example map, and then K for example kick, and then T for example to, and then Ch for example church, and then F for example fun, and then C for example tin, and then S for example six, and then Sh for example shoe, and then H for example happy, and dan juga ada voice konsonan. Yang pertama ada B for example mud, and G for example geek, and D for example do, and D for example jam, and then V for example voice, and then the for example, done, and the, for example, zoo, and the step the, for example, vision. Yang terakhir saya akan membacakan teks. A certain preacher became wise to the fact that he was not making a hit with his congregation. The parishioners did not seem inclined to seek him out after service and tell him he was a pansy. He suspected that they were rapping him on the quiet. The preacher knew there must be something wrong with his talk. He had been trying to expound in a clear and straightforward manner, omit foreign quotation, setting up for illustration of his point such historical characters as was familiar to his hearers, putting the study out in English word ahead of the Latin, and rather flying low along the intellectual plane of the aggregation that chips in to pay his salary. But the pew holders will not think they could understand everything he said, and they began to think he was common. So he studied the situation and decided that if he wanted to win them and make everybody believe he was a Nabi and best minister, he would have to hand out a little guff. He fixed it up good and plenty. On the following Sunday morning, he got up in the lookout and read a text that didn't mean anything read from either direction, and then he sized up his flock with a dreamy eye and said, "We cannot more adequately voice the boundary and mysticism of our text than in those familiar lines of the great Icelandic poet icon." When the preacher concluded this extract from the well-known Icelandic poet, he paused and looked downward, breathing heavily through his nose like Hamlet in the third act. A stout woman in the front row put on her eyeglasses and leaned forward so as not to miss anything. A venerable harness dealer over and the right nodded his head solemnly. He seemed to recognize the quotation. Members of the congregation glanced at one another as if to say, "This is certainly hot stuff." The preacher wiped his brow and said he had no doubt that everyone within the sound of his voice remember what Quarles had said, following the same line of thought. It was Quarles who disputed the contention of the great Persian theologian Ramtazak that the soul. That's my explanation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.